We had to come to Corinth, Texas today because the GC called me and said we had a big leak. But when we got here, it was a slow leak, and which indicated a drain leak. So I went on both sides of the wall to see the best approach, and I pulled the toilet, and a lot of the times it's a missing test plug. Moment of truth. What is it? What do you think it is? Nothing? Fuck. Well, that's not good. Damn. I was hoping it was a test cap. No blue. Yeah, that'll leak.
Put it like this.
Yeah.
Just sucks up because this is my weekend.
Yeah, that'll leak right there.
Pretty sure.
Got it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. But if I post this video, they're gonna be like, "You need to get him a torque wrench." That's what they're gonna say.
Well, I mean, I don't overtake like crazy.